So yesterday, ndivhudzannyi ralivhona, also known as Makhadzi, she went on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook, in fact, all her socials, to announce that she and Open Mic Productions, they are parting ways. She had thanked them. She mentioned that she is where she is because of this production and all that. What I liked most about this separation between these two is the fact that she had left Open Mic Production without any drama, compared to when she left D Entertainment, the one that was owned by Rita D. You will remember that time she accused Rita D of robbing him some money, and she doesn't even know how much she charges for shows and all that. So Rita was the only one that knew the amount that she was making. So that in that December, I'm not sure, it's 2020, it's 2019 or 2018, somewhere there, she had made 48 gigs, but she got only 150,000, only to find out that she has been robbed. She made a lot of money, more than what she got. So she made a lot of drama, and it went on and on for quite some time. So whenever she felt like it, she would go back to Facebook and say she still need the money. We should remind Rita D that she wants her money. But right now, the maturity, I'm loving it for Ugeli. Yeah, I'm loving it. The maturity is on another level. She did not make any drama. We knew nothing about this separation until yesterday. And what I'm liking is that it looks like she also have a professional PR people, because if you can read the letter, I will show you the letter in a minute. If you can read the letter was proper. It was so professional, to a point where you would see that Ugele has improved. Ugele has matured. We are loving it for her. I so wish that maybe she can carry on being matured on a company, because the way Ugele is so emotional, she's an emotional wreck, to a point where I am fearing for her right now, when she will be busy with her own company, Makhadzi Entertainment. I am fearing for her. Here is the letter. You can see, guys, the letter is proper. This is proper. It is proper. She's thanking them for everything that they have done for her. I traveled the world, which was made possible by my relationship with Open Mic Productions, and I performed in countries such as United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, Senegal, all SADC countries, and many other countries across the globe. I also won awards such as Ubuntu Arts and Culture Diplomacy Award, Mzansi. You know what? I am loving it for this girl. She has matured, and I just hope that maybe going forward, she can even get somebody who can be run a social media pages, because she can get emotional, bickering with her fans. I feel sometimes I feel it's too much. But if she can get a PR company or PR people, they can assist her and write what she want to be shown on her socials, and pages. Social media will be more matured and professional, because this girl is very huge. She's known all over all those countries that you heard I was reading. She's known all over. She's actually the queen of Africa for real. She's not just saying she's the queen of Africa. It is real, guys. So this girl is big, and sometimes it seems like she doesn't know herself. Like, you are big, but to yourself you're still thinking you're just an ant. But to us, we can see that she is big, and she is not aware that she is big and beautiful as well. You can see the pictures there. She is beautiful, a beautiful African queen, and we love her so much. This side in Venda, we love her so much. So yeah, guys, please subscribe. Do me a huge favor, guys. When you're subscribing, you are helping me. You are supporting my content. Please subscribe. Please like. Let's comment and let me hear your views about my things. Thank you.